In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a sender in Outlook. If your inbox keeps getting cluttered by unwanted messages, blocking the sender is a quick way to keep your focus and protect yourself from spam. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mailbox. If you see a sign-in prompt, go ahead and log into your account so Outlook can sync your latest email. Once you're in, head to your inbox or the folder where the unwanted message appears. Next, click once on an email from the sender you want to block. Selecting a message tells Outlook exactly which email address to target. Take a second to double-check it's the right sender, especially if the subject lines are similar. Blocking applies to that specific address. With the message selected, right-click it to open the context menu. In that menu, look for Block. Then choose Block Sender. Outlook may ask you to confirm. When you approve, Outlook adds that address to your blocked senders list and moves the selected message to the junk email folder. From now on, new messages from that sender will be routed to junk automatically, so they won't interrupt your main inbox. If you already have the email open in its own window or reading pane, you can use the same feature from the toolbar. Find the three-dot More Actions icon near the top of the message, select Block, and then click Block Sender. Confirm if prompted, and Outlook will handle the rest just as before. On some versions of Outlook, the option may appear under Junk instead of Block. The effect is the same. You might also see a brief confirmation banner at the top of the window. Blocking won't delete your past conversations. It simply moves the selected message to Junk and prevents future emails from landing in your inbox. A few quick tips to finish up. If you block someone by mistake, you can later remove them from your blocked senders list in Outlook's Junk settings. For legitimate contacts who keep landing in junk, add them to your safe senders to ensure their messages arrive in your inbox. And if a message looks suspicious or tries to get personal information, consider using the built-in report junk or phishing options in addition to blocking, which helps improve filtering. That's all you need. Open Outlook, sign in if needed, select the unwanted email, and block the sender either by right-clicking the message or by using the three-dot menu when the email is open. Your inbox stays cleaner, and you stay in control.